March 2020 question paper 1-2, question 22. There is a diagram showing the structure of ethane dioic acid. Now this one, okay, it is a molecule with two carboxylic acid groups. All right. Now this molecule reacts with ethanol in the presence of a few drops of concentrated sulfuric acid to form a diester. Okay, esterification. Now the molecular formula of the diester is C6H10O4. So we are asked to find what is the structural formula of the diester. All right. So look at this molecule. Now we are going to do esterification between this ethane dioic acid with ethanol. Right. So okay, each carboxylic acid functional group will react with the ethanol, okay, to form ester. So we start with the carbon on the left hand side. Okay, this COH on the left. Now you know C double bond O in ester comes from the carboxylic acid, right? The O comes from the alcohol. So we erase this part. Okay, don't want this. Okay, reacts with alcohol ethanol, yeah, 2 carbon. All right, so should be O. Sorry. Okay, O CH2 CH3. Okay, so this part from ethanol. Now here also the same, COH again reacts with ethanol. So I remove this. Okay, now let's write O CH2 CH3. Okay, now this will be the diester form. Okay, you can cross check with this molecular formula. Okay, it'll be the same. Okay, now I'll turn this into structural formula. Before that, I want to number the carbon so that I won't miss out any carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay, and 6. Okay, now I'll draw the structural formula. Start from carbon number 1, CH3. Go to carbon number 2, CH2. This CH2 is bonded to O. After that, carbon number 3 is bonded to O, double bond, so CO. Carbon number 4, another CO. Right? Now, this CO is bonded to an oxygen also, so you can put 2 here. Okay, now followed by CH2, CH3. Now this part we must write like this because we start with the C single bond O, this O first, yeah? So you cannot write CO in front because from the left hand side, okay, from the carbon number 1, number 2, then number 2 is bonded to O. So you must write the O first, then only CO. Okay, now we check which answer is the one that matches the structural formula that I have just written. A, CH3, CH2, correct. COO, I see. They start from CO. A is wrong. Okay. B, CH3, CH2, okay, still correct. O, correct. CO, yes, correct. CO2, CH3, sorry, CH2, CH3. B, exact match of what I've just written. It's okay, we check C and D also. CH3, CH2, okay, O2. No, okay, O here first. Okay, we have O and then CO. So cannot be O2. Okay, C is not correct. D, CH3, CO2. Okay, we have another CH2 in the middle, okay, missing, so no. Okay, confirm. The answer is B.